Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Kembali pada video kali ini Pak 7 Rebon menghiasi hidup Anda dengan berbagai seluk-beluk tentang otomotif dunia khususnya pabrikan Yamaha.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Halo brother, pada masa dan perhelatan kali ini jumpa lagi bersama Pak 7 Rebon, channel yang menyokong perkembangan dan kemajuan otomotif dunia. Oke, itu menyisikan hal seputaran aktiviti yang terjadi pada masa terkini masih di dealer Yamaha Lutang Majene, Kabupaten Majene, Sulawesi Barat. Dimana korang dah paham lah semua daripada dealer terbaik dan terelok di seputaran Majene dan sekitarnya nih. Oke. Nah, brother, to the point aja. Pada perhelatan ini kita nak jumpa beberapa bicycle yang sold out pada pagi ini, dan langsung pun kita nak hantar ke tuannya. Namun seperti biasanya kita nak cek and recheck dahulu kelengkapan yang diperlukan sebelum kita hantarkan ke tuannya. Pada pagi elok ini kita nak hantar berlawanan 3 bicycle dengan titel MX King Terbaru, Yamaha Freego, and the Yamaha Inmax. Oke, brother, semoga terhibur selalu. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, and comment ya di kolom komentar. Dengan persembahan dari kami ini sungguh besar jasa kalian nak membesarkan siaran ni. Untuk itu seluruh tim dari Pak 7 Rebon berucap thanks very much atas hal indah yang telah berlaku selama ni. Oke. Dan semoga brother yang ada di jagat maya ni dapat puas hati tengok persembahan yang tak seberapa dari kami. Oke, brother, sekiranya cukup dari kami. Mohon supaya nak nonton video ni sampai habis ya. Jangan skip-skip. Bila ada silap kata dan perbuatan, mohon ampun dan sekiranya boleh dimaafkan. Oke, akhir kata saya Kemutu mengucapkan banyak terima kasih dan sampai bertemu di perhelatan terbaik berikutnya. Oke, jangan lupa tetap stay tune, tonton sampai berakhir video ini. Jangan skip. Oke. Saya pamit dulu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray